All right, so this project is this self-retracting extension cord. And I ask you, what good is a self-retracting extension cord that doesn't retract all the way? See? That is no good. So we gotta take that apart and have a look at it. So getting it off here is about as easy as can be. I don't know if you can see back here, but there's just a bracket. Got it on this, off it comes. So let's take it to the shop and have a look. All right, so here's our retractable extension cord. Put it over here so you can see. And this is from Northern Tools, Northern Industry. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So this is a Northern Tools product. So if you have one of these, I guess you can enjoy it, this little video. So the thing is, we're going to be taking all these screws out of here, which is fine, but there's probably a spring in here somehow. So we'll need to be mindful that if we get all the screws out, we don't want things to come flying out at us. All right, let's take it apart and see what it looks like. Well, kind of hard to get in there because got this rotating thing in there for the wire. Trying to get in there without breaking anything. Let me see if I can lift this out. All right, so let me do a little reconnoitering here and I'll come back with you. Well, I wish I could have shown you what I did, but there was just such a tight spot I couldn't get in there. I couldn't take the entire thing apart. It's hooked to the bottom. It's hooked to this side. I thought maybe I could get to it through here, but that's just a plastic nub. I don't know what to call that one. Anyhow, what I ended up doing was pulling it out like this. By the way, it works now, so now it retracts all the way in nice and tight. But what I ended up doing was pulling out a length and then manually winding it up, pulling out another length and manually winding it up, and basically trying to get that spring in there to tighten down so that when it closed, it was going to close like that. So not necessarily the best video, but that's how I did it. If yours is got a problem, then you can open it up and do the same thing where you pull it out. And because the case was open, I could wind the cable back into it. So let's put it back up on the wall and see how it does. All right, here it is all attached to the wall and hopefully repaired. There we go, it locks. And voila, it goes right up to the edge. So there we go, job done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next project.